What up, YouTube, man? We back at it, man. We are at the end of the day. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I didn't really do too much of nothing today. I had went to the city, head down there. I had took the small trailer, dropped it back off to my mom's and them. So I got that over there just so I can have some space for now to maneuver around because I have to take the car trailer back to LA to get the Camaro out of the shop. So I was like, I'm gonna just chill out. I've been doing a lot of moving and working around. Hey, and we all need a break eventually, man. I'm not gonna lie, I've been doing the ultimate most. I swear to you, when I edited that video I put up yesterday, or today, basically today morning that you guys seen, I couldn't believe how much stuff I done. I was like, dude, I've been taking 2 trips back and forth for hours of driving, but it's all good, man. You gotta do what you gotta do at the end of the day. So we are damn near done, but about to get to it, man. Make sure y'all enter the win for the Silverbullet giveaway, man. We are almost there. We're almost sold out of hats, man. So make sure you get in and win it while you can. I had the sale going. It's a wrap right now, so it's back at 100. So it's still at a good deal. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. You already know you're getting a whole Harley for 100. I only had probably like one of my winners, like the last two. The last 2 winners only won at 50 bucks, but everybody else won at 100. But it's all love at the end of the day, man. You already know what's going on. I'm bringing y'all good quality bikes, man. Coming to y'all live out here. And it's crazy, we got the powder coated parts back now. I know y'all seen it. If you haven't, I'm gonna show y'all again right now, man, for sure. But today we're gonna take everything out and get it going, but so stay tuned, man. I'm gonna lay it off for you in a few minutes. In the main time right now, man, I'm about to go ahead and finish arranging the garage. I went ahead and put the whole shelf together right here. We got everything on there, so it's coming together little by little. So stay tuned for that, but we're about to get everything else organized, unbox all these boxes, and get it going. I gotta get me another propane tank. I had me a mini propane tank with a heater. It was like a, y'all know what I'm talking about. Anybody know the little circular thing with it be pushing out the heat? I'm about to get one of them for sure, just because the air is a little cold and whatnot up in here. So that's that, but we about to get to it and make something happen, man. So stay tuned, y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir, man. So we finally got all the parts laid out, man. It's looking good, y'all. Let me give y'all a good glimpse of that in the phone light, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to put some bright LED lights up in here ASAP. One of y'all reached out to me. I got the email in my phone. I'm gonna get back to you tonight. I appreciate you for telling me you swapped out that light with an LED. I'm about to do that for sure. But anyway, man, y'all see what's going on. We got the parts on here looking good. We got the nice orange. We got most of the parts hit. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna powder coat the frame until y'all was on me, and I got my boy to detail it. This thing is looking good, fresh black, man. I don't know what he did, but man, I'm telling you, he got it looking good, man. That's for sure. So stay tuned, man. I'm telling y'all, we got it going. Looking good, man. We got the legs on here going. I got it to get it in the garage, but it's good. I got another set I'm about to pick up tomorrow, so we're gonna be in the game, man. We're about to get the 2015 in here tomorrow, most likely 9 times out of 10, and then I'm gonna put y'all on game because I know it's been a lot of confusion, because I've been going through a lot these past couple of days. So I'm gonna get to that in a second. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got all the powder coated parts. Antonio should be done with that paint real soon. So this bike is about to be assembled, man. We gotta just have a little bit of patience right now. But on another note, man, I'm gonna put y'all on game real fast. For the people who entering and just now and doing it for the first time, I'm gonna tell you how I go. I am giving away a 2015 Lifted Chevy Silverado. It's a 1500. I do everything with this truck. I can't even explain it to you. You got to really tap into my videos and really see what that truck is capable of, from my Instagram to YouTube. You can see everything I do, from having a boat, the RV, pulling it, doing everything, going off-road and all that good stuff. But that's just one thing. We're giving that away, paired together with the 2019 ROADGLIDE that's right here. I have everything for this bike. We are in the process of putting it together. Now, I usually disassemble all my bikes and go from the framing up, but it definitely takes some time doing that. So instead of doing that, I'm getting straight to the point, get into the frame doctor, have him straighten out everything in the next day or so. That'll take about 2-3 days at max. After that, we're gonna be back on board, getting the bike fully assembled. So that's gonna be that, man. So stay tuned. We're gonna have Antonio doing a fresh paint. My guy got the rims getting done right now because it definitely take time, but I put in an order about 2 weeks ago, so we damn near gonna be there to pick them up any day soon. So we're gonna have everything coming together, man. I'm gonna get the seat custom stitched, so it's gonna have a diamond stitch matching with the paint. Now, mind you, it is a Silverbullet giveaway. We're gonna have the color silver, the orange y'all see right there, back there on the powder coat, and powder coated black, man. So that's the colors we're going with, and the paint is gonna match the same. But like I said, enter to win that joint right now at $100, man. You get a bike and a truck, man. That is a complete steal. The past giveaways I've been doing, I went to Texas twice, I went to Washington, Wisconsin, St. Louis, and I gotta go to Sacramento. And we about to see where the truck and the bike going, man. So I'm telling y'all, man, enter to win. This is about to be a big giveaway. My first time giving away the truck and the bike, but it's still a steal at $100, man. I'm telling y'all, enter to win right now while you can, because it's game time, man. It's about to be over with. The hats is almost sold out, so stay tuned, man. We are gonna drop some more keychains, but the hats is about to be a wrap, man. So enter to win while you can, man. We got it going live in the garage, man. It's crazy how far we done came from being in the shop with no power and no lights, nothing. I'm in here right now at damn near 12 o'clock at night, man, because I can do that. And it's crazy. It's just like, it's a blessing, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I really thank God for even allowing me to get this far, man, because I'm telling y'all, it could be way worse. It's just crazy how far you can get when you really just determined and you want it. You gonna work for it, man. I'm telling you, you gotta just stay focused and know what's coming and know every day count, man. Just the consistency is gonna get you there. And that's how I feel about it, man. But we slide, man. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. We about to get it in. I have to just fill y'all in real quick, man, because I have to get everything arranged. But we back on board tomorrow. About to go get the rest of these parts and check everything out and go from there, man.